Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is Inside with Anne. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a weight loss cabbage soup recipe, and at the end of this video I'm going to be giving you tips on how to use this soup and also a diet plan to help you achieve your weight loss goals. To learn how to make this soup, keep watching till the end. So for this recipe we are going to be needing some beef or fish or any meat of your choice, adding some onion, some seasoning cubes, and also some salt. Cover and allow to cook at a medium to high heat. I'm going to be leaving the list of ingredients in the description box below. Make sure to stir from time to time to avoid it from burning, since we didn't put in some water. Next, we're going to add in tomatoes. We put in tomatoes early enough to make sure the sour taste is gone. So we cook this with the meat until the sour taste is gone. As you can see, it's almost completely dried off. Added some water to make sure it doesn't burn and to cook the meat till it's tender. Now prepare the cabbage by shredding the cabbage, washing, and also straining. Add the cabbage into the pot and allow to cook. So while the cabbage is cooking, let's talk about the benefits of cabbage. So cabbage is not only beneficial for weight loss, it has other benefits. It slows down the aging process. Who wants to grow old? I don't think anybody wants to look old. It also lowers cholesterol. It prevents cancer. And it also heals ulcers. So cabbage has so many benefits, just a few I've named. So we also take this cabbage soup for the other benefits, but most of all for weight loss. So stir the pot and cover and allow to cook for 2 minutes. It's time to add the other ingredients. So we prepare the green beans and add into the pot. Adding broccoli, it's optional, and adding some onions, some celery, some carrots. Stir and allow this to cook for another 2 minutes. And also guys, we need water at almost the same level as the cabbage. It's soup, right? So we need some water almost at the same level as the cabbage. So at this level, at this point, if the water is not enough, you can add the water. But it's two ways. You can add the water, or you could add the water later. Adding some garlic. I like garlic because it gives it this unique flavor. It gives it the unique flavor. So I'm adding in the water now. after mixing. So you see my water is almost at the same level as the cabbage. Add in some oil. I added in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This recipe doesn't need so much oil. Just 1 tablespoon of oil is enough for the recipe. And the olive oil makes it taste good. Looking good. I like the multicolors. So allow to cook. Our soup is ready. It's ready. So don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification. So this is how it looks. So guys, at this point I'm going to be sharing with you some diet plan, how you can use this soup to be beneficial for your weight loss. So this soup could be taken or should be taken with the weight loss juice which I shared. If you didn't watch the video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. This drink is a 3-in-1 drink. It's used for weight loss, as a detox, and also as an anti-inflammatory. So I'll leave the link in the description box below if you've not watched it. So this diet or this cabbage soup is to be taken with this drink for maximum weight loss. So the way you take it is, on the first day you could take the juice in the morning for breakfast, the juice with an egg. In the afternoon, a plate of cabbage soup. And in the evening, a plate of cabbage soup. The good thing about the cabbage soup is it's very low in calories. And this is what causes you to lose weight. It's low in calories. So you eat a large amount, you feel full, but the amount of calories you take in are very small. So you take less than the required amount of calories you're supposed to take a day, but feeling full. So this keeps you from being hungry. And one thing is, you shouldn't snack on this diet. No snacking on sweets, no snacking on biscuits, no snacking. So if you feel hungry and you feel like snacking, snack on the cabbage soup. So on the second of the cabbage soup, you could take the juice in the morning or the drink with 1 banana. On the third day in the morning, you could take the juice with grilled chicken or sweet potatoes or whatever in the morning. But in the afternoon and in the evening, each day is the cabbage soup. And each time you feel hungry or you feel like snacking, snack on the cabbage soup to get the maximum weight loss benefits. So you can alternate the breakfast. You could take with an egg, the juice with an egg. You could take the drink with a banana. You could take with grilled chicken. You could take with sweet potatoes or whatever, but not bread in the morning. So you could take with any of these things, but not bread in the morning. Then in the afternoon and in the evening, take the cabbage soup in any quantity, feel full, and cook it with love. Cook it to be tasty, so it encourages you to eat. So you keep alternating and keep drinking water. Water is the secret. Drink a lot of it for this diet. And one thing I will say is the diet is not sustainable. This diet can only be taken for 2 weeks, not longer than 2 weeks. Why? Because it lacks some vital nutrients. So it's not good for a long-term use. The diet is good if you have a wedding coming up, or you just want to jumpstart your weight loss journey, or you're going on a date. It's just not for long-term use. So 2 weeks is just enough for this diet. And the key to everything is consistency. Just be consistent and you see the result. And you can weigh yourself like every morning in the same dress on the same scale to see the difference for 2 weeks. Just be consistent. So I'm going to be loading a diet